Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install my new exploit. It's called Lumbercracker anyway. So go to my website, link is in the description. It's agarssploits.weebly.com. Once you're on here, click here to view my other exploit, Lumbercracker. He's waving. Once you're on this page, just click download file here. It'll download like right here. Once it's downloaded, click it, minimize this, and then take this file and drag it to your desktop. Oh, yeah, I've already got one on my desktop. Go ahead and replace it. Once it's on your desktop, you can close this. So double click the folder that's on your desktop, and you want to click the one that has this little icon and says application. This one right here. Click more info and click run anyway. It says that this is an unknown publisher. Basically it's just protecting you, but it's trusted, so you click run anyway and you'll get this little box here. It's a little program and you can exit out of that. So this little program is the Lumbercracker. To use it, all you have to do is click attach and it'll attach to your Roblox game. Just like that. It should pop up down here, the We Are Devs API. Click OK. Now you can use any of these hacks. To get the paint script, you just hit paint script, and as you can see right here, you get the paint script and you can choose all your paints. There's also a couple GUIs like Dark Lumber, so it'll take a minute and then it'll load Dark Lumber X. And this is a cool little GUI for Lumber Tycoon. It's got like teleports, and it's got like paint tool and bring woods and all sorts of stuff. It's kind of cool. And it's also got max land, get all blueprints, infinity wires, gold axe, leaked items and stuff. So it's a pretty cool GUI. There's also Hailstone, which is another cool GUI, which allows you to fly. So it looks like this. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. Hold on. Camera mode. Crap. Anyway, just exit out of that. Yeah, but this is another cool little GUI. You've got this stuff, and you can teleport to people, and you've got teleport wood and all this stuff. You know, it's another cool little GUI. Then there's also this duping GUI thing, which allows you to duplicate axes and money, and also items. I'll be making a tutorial on this little GUI thing here soon. But yeah, so that's my little Lumbercracker thing. And also, if you want to keep it above your Roblox, see, like when I click Roblox, it goes behind it. You can click topmost, so that way when you're in the game and you know you're playing, it doesn't go behind it, and you can just execute your scripts easily and quickly. But yeah, that's how you use my new exploit called Lumbercracker. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.